Yeah, the suspect's sister gave us permission to share some of these photos. She tells me that before the deadly dance this summer, her 19-year-old brother, Joseph Nicholas, just graduated from high school and was on the baseball and football teams as well as student council. This case is tragic all around, with teenage suspects and victims in their early 20s.
Did Josh choose Gila River, or did Gila River choose Josh? Whatever it was fate that brought him here. It was fate that we're here today.
It's been 6 months since Gila River police officer Joshua Breeze was laid to rest. The 23-year-old was part of the department for less than a year when he was shot and killed in the line of duty, following in the footsteps of his father, who also died while protecting his community as a deputy in Montana. Yellowstone County Sheriff's Office Captain Kent O'Donnell says Officer Breeze was only 6 years old when his father died.
Watching Josh grow up, after his dad's death, he wanted to be a police officer. That was the one thing he was going to do. Had it set in his mind.
Just before Thanksgiving, a grand jury issued an indictment in connection to the fallen officer. 19-year-old Gila River Indian Community resident Joseph Nicholas is accused of assault with a semi-automatic rifle with the intent to harm Officer Breeze and brandishing a firearm. Notah's sister gave us permission to share these photos of him and tells us another one of her relatives, who is 16, is also facing federal charges in this case. Because he is a minor, we are not releasing his name. This all stems from a disturbance at a dance involving a large crowd at a home in Santan in June. Police say multiple gunshots were fired, killing Officer Breeze and a bystander, 23-year-old Allison Apcaw. Another officer, Officer Bustamante, was also shot but survived. The suspect's sister says both of her family members suffered serious injuries from the gunfire. Gila River Police Chief Jesse Crabtree spoke at Officer Breeze's funeral.
June 1st, 2024 was by far the hardest day of my 27-year career in law enforcement.
In federal court this week, Notah pleaded not guilty. The judge found him to be a danger to the community and a flight risk, so he will remain in custody as he awaits trial set for January.
I've been in touch with the FBI and the United States Attorney's Office to try to find out more about the investigation and if we can expect any more arrests. I'm told they can't say if anyone has been charged in connection to the shooting death of the bystander, but she's not mentioned in Notah's indictment. Of course, we'll keep you posted as we learn more about the case and that upcoming trial. Back to you.